All right, we're running. We're out here on the weekday, playing in the beautiful snow again. Don't you love that? Until we get like this. So, anyway, we're gonna recover this thing right quick. I'll give you a quick walk around, put you on pause, rig up, and then we're gonna make it happen. Was originally thinking I was gonna have to use both winch lines, but now I'm thinking if I set up right, probably one and done. So we'll see. Yeah, I'm thinking one and done. So as always, we're out here with hoist. Can't hardly tell because we're so muddy. Sporting bulldog. We're gonna get set up. Probably snatch block off those two oaks right there. We're gonna get it out of there. More to come. All right, we are rigged. We got that 15,000-pound bully doggy through a snatch block. Yes, we know we're not supposed to use kinetic energy ropes for P-sabers, but it'll be all right. Down, both sides, back up, got a hold of it. I'm gonna get out of the bad area, and we're gonna pull. So, I may have you kind of work the tires, but mainly we're just gonna try and see if it'll straight slide. Yeah, go ahead and unhook the chain. Are we gonna have to tie down, old girl? Yep. Pause for a while. All right. We still on one video? Yep, we're still here. So, we went ahead and tagged the back winch off to a tree because, of course, it instantly started sliding big girl on the ice here. So, still got the same rig up here. Let's see, I think I need that one. Nope, that's back. All right, round two, we're tied off. Oh, you're all right, brother. It's not bad luck to be on camera. Well, then again. All right, we're staying still. We're stretching the ankle. Everything's coming up tight. We're still stretching the kinetic. We're still trying to pull the truck. Aha, we have movement. There we come. Beautiful. I'm gonna walk through your shot, brother, sorry. Try to back up a little. Easy. Just sit still. Ooh, huh? Which one? Okay. I think we'll be all right for a minute. Yeah. Because the kinetic rope's kind of working them. They're flexing a little bit, but I think, yeah, we got it. We got this. Them sunglasses on's messed up because I know you, but it's like, who is this masked bandito? Like I said, we might have hooked up 2 winches and anchored out more, but we got this, I think. Trees moving? No. I know I'm moving. Try to move a little bit. Yep. Oh, easy, easy, easy. It's a really poor video, but hey, oh hell, we got a flat tire. We're gonna pull until we're out of pull, and then we're gonna back them out. I believe we're good. I think we could turn them loose right now. Yeah, I'm good with that, I think. Oh, that poor brake on that. You happy?
Johnny, that was fucking badass, dude.
Damn, now I gotta edit my video. I gotta give up, rats. Yeah, I actually try, just because once in a while, you know. All right, I don't think there's no need for y'all to watch me stow up. Yes, sir. And with the flat tire. Oh my God, I gotta tell you guys a quick story about a flat tire. I'll leave it on video too, but this was too funny. I was coming into Chino yesterday, the day before, and an officer had a lady pulled over, and she had no tire on the back of her, whatever it was. So, all right, guys, signing off. I'm going to say that's a respectful, successful recovery, other than a flat tire, which I don't know if we could avoid it. So, more later. Thanks, y'all.